Well, obviously, but it's the winter. I think it's expected that we're going to have some issues with the weather. But the most important thing is to get vaccines in people's arms and do it safely. And hopefully they'll get the second dose very quick, very soon.
Come on. Do you have any allergies, Mr. Bano, that you're aware of? What happened?
No, we have the cold chain is very clear, and we have the refrigerators. The state delivers the vaccine on a timely fashion, so we were not concerned about the viability of the vaccine.
I need to cold compression something cold, not hot. Feverish, take no pinch.
I was scheduled for Monday. And of course, with the snow, it's understandable they had to postpone it. So I'm good. I'm good.
No pinch.
Well, I'd prefer to have come today, instead of Monday when it was pretty bad traveling.
Two, three, four. You're done. I'll keep my hand. Working with gloves, it's hard.